Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your online store with Sniply, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build your online store with Sniply, start by visiting the Sniply website. Sign up for a free account if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the Create Snip button to begin. In the provided field, enter the URL of the product or page you want to promote. Customize your message by filling out the call to action box. Choose a button color that aligns with your brand. Add a relevant image to grab your audience's attention. Next, adjust the settings to enhance the visibility of your snip. Review the preview of your snip to ensure it looks exactly how you want it. Once satisfied, save your snip by clicking the Save button. You'll receive a unique link, which you can use to share your snip. Promote your snip link across your social media platforms. Track the performance of your snip through the Analytics section. Gather insights from the data to maximize your online store's effectiveness. Continue updating your snips as you add new products or change promotions. Engage with your audience by responding to their interactions with your snips. Leverage Sniply's tools to enhance your marketing strategy further. Stay consistent in sharing valuable content to drive traffic to your online store. This is how you can effectively build and promote your online store using Sniply. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.